Hey guys, guess what? I got a job offer from top MNC company.
That's awesome, Pravi. How did you clear the interview, which helps you land the job?
Kloud Course Academy made all the difference, seriously. The course material was super easy to follow, and they provides like instructor-led training, self-paced learning, exam preparation, expert instructors, hands-on experience, flexible learning.
That's cool, but did you get any practical experience in real-time projects?
Oh yeah, lots. They had these hands-on projects that were so helpful. The instructors were always there to guide us throughout the course.
Impressive. So, do you think it's worth it for someone like me who's looking for a job too? Because recently only I gave the interview where I got rejected due to a lack of knowledge.
Definitely. I mean, look at me. And the best part? It's all online, so you can learn at your own pace. Trust me, you won't regret it after completing my course at Kloud Course Academy. Don't think much and enroll now.